Okay, today we're working on place value. So we're going to solve what is 35 hundredths and 12 thousandths. Okay, so 35 hundredths and 12 thousandths. So remember, anytime you have a problem like this, you need to first multiply 35 times 100. All right, this is 100, so 35 times 100. So we're going to do 35 times 100. What is 35 times 100? Good. Hide my zeros. 35 times 1 is 35. Add 2 zeros back. 3,500. All right, then I'm going to do 12,000. So that's 12 times 1,000. So 12 times 1,000. What is 12 times 1,000? Good job. 12,000. So now I just need to add my numbers up. So I'm going to do 12,000 plus 3,500. So when I add this up, 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, 1. So that's 15,500. This is what this actual number is. This number is not, let me tell you what you guys put. This number is not 3512, 3,512. That is not the number. That is not how you solve this problem. You have to actually multiply, and add the numbers up. If you do it this way, I guarantee you'll get it wrong every time. So make sure you solve it correctly. We're in 4th grade, so make sure you solve this problem correctly. All right, so what is 5,000 1,200, right? So what you're not going to do is put 5,012. That's not how you solve this problem, right? So we're going to do 5 times 1,000, and then we're going to do 12 times 100, because this is hundreds. All right, so it's 5 times 1,000. Good, 5,000. It was 12 times 100. Good, 1,200. So what do I do next after I get both of these answers? I add them up. So when I add them up, I will get 6,200. See that big difference? This is not the answer. The answer is 6,200. When you take your benchmark assessment on Friday, you should be showing your work like this for all problems that look like this. Okay. What is 15 hundredths, 3 tens, 5 ones? So again, we're going to solve 15 hundredths. So that's 15 times what? 15 times 100. All right. Then we're going to solve 3 tens. So that's 3 times what? Good. 3 times 10. Then we're going to solve 5 ones. So that's 5 times 1. All right. So let's go ahead and solve this. 15 times 100 is 1,500. 3 times 10 is 30. 5 times 1 is 5. When I add all this up, what will I get as my final answer? Good job, 1,535. This is what the answer is. All right, 1,535. All right, last question. How many times greater is the 5 in 35,482 than the 5 in 12,573? So you remember this at the beginning of the year. We're looking at our 5s, right? And we're trying to see how many loops does it take. Each loop is worth how much? Good, times 10. So how many loops does it take to get from the 5 and the hundreds to the 5 and the thousands? Let's take our loop. We're from the hundreds, all the way to the thousands already. We put a times 10 inside. So my answer is, how many times greater is it? Good, it's 10 times greater. So remember, when you have problems like this, line up your numbers and then do your loops.